Hey guys, so let's talk about Bitcoin today. So the Bitcoin price is 41,800 now, and we have already have the make a cycle mid top here around 48k, 49k, right? This is the idea that I have shared a few days ago in my TradingView account. I'll show you that. So yeah, this is the one. So here we have that BTC and Fibonacci level of 0618, and here I have shared it on Jan 4th and have the descriptions like the last cycle the BTC local top was at Fibonacci level 0.618, and we haven't reached that level yet. So if we have to reach that level, the Bitcoin is around 48k to 49k. So will this be happening again, and should we expect a similar mid-cycle top, or we don't this cycle don't even consider that? But it turns out to be the cycle mid top was around 48k to 49k. So I'll open that again. So this is the idea. I have shared it on Jan 4th, and if you have noticed on Jan 11th we have topped around 49k. Yes. So if you have noticed historically, we have the local top around the Fibonacci level of 0.618 in the previous cycle. So if you take the top to bottom, so this is where the Fibonacci level of 0.618 lies, and we started the correction from here, and then we have gone down to uh, 3k from 13k. This is the COVID dip. If we don't have the COVID dip, we might have retraced up here 6k, and then we might have gone like this. Not sure. So this is what happened this time as well. I'll show you one more chart. The mid cycle. Yeah, yeah. This has been happening from the last four cycle, right? So even if you see the MVRV, the index score, so if we reach the level of you know around 1.9 to 2.5k or 2.10k, I mean 2.10. So this is where we start to retrace down in every cycle. So this is where that mid-cycle top is, right? If you see in the 2012, so we reached the level of 0.618, and then we started correcting. And even in 2016, we reached the level of 0.618, and then there is a correction. And even in 2019, we reached the um, level of 0.618, and then we have started correcting. And this is what have exactly happened again in 2024. That's on um, Jan 11. Yes. So that's right after the ETF approval, right? So even in the earlier times, we have retraced around 6.18. And how much did we go down? So we are expecting, I mean, like most of the time, the correction was around 30% to 40%. So if we expect a similar correction, where we will go, right? See that. So if we expect 30%, that comes around 14k. Yeah, 48 to 14. So this would come around again 35k, right? So this is the area, or if you go exactly here, we would get around 32k. That's actually strong resistance before as well. If you have um, noticed, this is one resistance, and here is the key resistance as well. So the price hasn't uh, reached this level, and it not break down and break up. It started to break down, and then again, this is the key resistance level that we can look, or if we still go up to this level, right? So how much we would get? 7%, right? Around 18k. So from 48 to a 48, 18k, then we will remain 30k. So will this be the retracement percent, or we don't know? We might come back here and then start move up and then come down around this area, or we might go still down and then move back like this, or we go then parabola. So this we don't know, right? We will have to wait and watch, since also we have the Bitcoin halving around halving coming in April. We still have 110 101 days. That's around halving is expected to take place in April 2024. So with that, so even historically, if you see, if there is a halving, there is a price correction. Not sure whether it is before the halving or after the halving, but there is a price correction. So keeping that in the mind, so expecting the 30% to 35% or 40% correction is a healthy correction. So, and also I want to share one more chart, that's the BTC November cycle. So, so this is what been happening historically from 2012 to 2011 to till now. So if you see the green, so we are starting from November 20, about the exact date, but around 25 or 28, to from 2010 to 11. This is the green is the accumulation period where we would stack all those coins, and then we go into the preparation or pre-bull, that's blue. So here, if you see, there is a correction in all those pre-bull or preparation um, months in the cycle, right? So we are exactly in the pre-bull or preparation year, from November, the last November to uh, November of 2024. So we, in even considering the previous November pre-bull preparation years, we can expect the volatility or the correction. So once we go through this phase, that's where the bull market begins. So if you see in the past cycles, so after the pre-bull, Bitcoin go to the peak, and then the bear market starts. So we reach the peak here, and then the bear market starts. So here as well, we reach the peak here, and then bear market starts. So even in the last cycle, we reach the peak here, and then bear market starts, and it ends up in the next November cycle. So this is where we started to accumulate, right? So this is the bottom exactly. So this is coming around 16k, right? So if you have bought at 16k, you might have sold at around 48k, since the uh, That's the cycle mid top with the Fibonacci level of 618, right? So it's important to know the cycles to before getting into the Bitcoin. So if you're a beginner, I'm just sharing if some of the beginners want to understand what how the Bitcoin has been priced in the past and how it's been going and how it will be in the future. So since we are in the pre-bull period and we are expected to break around after November, and then where we would go to the top, right? Yeah, sure. This is just a um, box that I've placed, but I don't know. We will not go to 200K exactly, but we'll have to wait and watch. But there is a way to find that. Uh, there is one more theory called the bicycle theory. So we will see. Uh, we cannot predict the exact top now, but when it comes to the top, we will know that with that indicator. So I'll share that information in the next video. Till that, and also I want to share. So till that, so this is where we stand now, and before halving or after halving, we could get corrected and then start to go up. So that's the idea now. Or if Bitcoin don't want to follow this cycle, it want to go up, it can go up. Who knows? We cannot predict the market, right? We can just react to the prices that's been going on. So that's the idea I just want to share with you guys. So, and also I have the indicator. I will show you which I have developed. So this is the echo millionaire indicator, so which I have developed. So if you have seen it, like I told you, so this is the accumulation phase, right? So in the Jan 23, so this is where my indicator changes, and even if you have noticed um, the November cycle theory, so in the in Jan 23, right? Yeah, we started to go. Uh, no, we bottomed out and then we started to rise. So this is where the trend actually changes. Also, if you have noticed, we have some fake outs between. You might be thinking, okay, here is where we need to buy. No, the trend has been changed, right? Trend has been changed bullish, right? Here at 20K. Yeah, this indicator. We cannot get the exact bottom with any indicator. If you know the complete cycle market, yeah, you would have got in at 15K, right? So yeah, so with my indicator, at least you can get around 20K and you can go up to 31K, and then the price started retracing and then back again. You can get in at 26K, or if you have drawn the resistance and support levels. So here, if you have noticed, here is the resistance, here is the resistance, and here is the support. So here is the support you might have gotten here while started to retrace back to the top. So this is the good entry, right? So here, even if you get in here, you will get in at 28K and then you will sell at 48K. So if you want to consider getting my indicator, drop me a DM in x.com. So this is my ID. So at echo millionaire underscore. If you wanna get the indicator, you can drop me a message. So yeah, so this is the idea I want to share with you all, and you can um, analyze more on this price levels, and you can get into the Bitcoin as much as it get into it lower or at any time during this pre-bull, because the bull market starts in the next year. That's where we would pick around. This time I would expect around 130k or more than 100k somewhere. Yeah, we'll see. We'll have to see. We can't predict the market. We'll have to just react. So, like I said, I'll share the um, information around where we would exactly top around, right? So, in the next video, yeah. Thank you all, guys. Thanks for watching.